I met her again. This gray cat I met last week. She is not eating during that time, but today I gave her chicken biryani and she ate it. Want more? There she is eating. Very nice color. She became very thin, thinner than last week. But good thing she is eating now. Gray.